Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a PayPal.me link. If you want to create that link of PayPal.me, you need to PayPal, and here in your account, like you see, you don't have an option to create directly of your PayPal account the PayPal.me link. So you need to search the link of PayPal.com slash PayPal.me, and you get you know specifically a page for create that PayPal link. So PayPal.me link, you pick here and create your PayPal link. And after that, the only thing you need to do is, you need to go to the administrar PayPal.me. This is management your PayPal.me. This is your link, and you need to put an image, and some information like your email for complete the process. So this is the tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.